In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link tables in Airtable. Linking tables lets you build relationships between your data so you can keep information tidy, avoid duplicates, and move quickly between connected records. We'll walk through a simple example, but the same approach works for any workflow. Start by opening the Airtable base that holds the information you want to connect. Make sure you're in the right workspace and the correct base is loaded so you can see all the tables you plan to use. Next, confirm that you have at least 2 tables in this base. For example, you might have one called Projects and another called Clients. The exact names don't matter. What matters is that each table represents a different kind of thing you want to relate, like tasks to people, orders to products, or projects to clients. Now, in one of your tables, add a new field. You can do this by clicking the plus button at the far right of your existing fields. A field in Airtable is just a column, and we're about to turn this column into a special type that can connect to another table. When the field type menu appears, choose Link to another record. This option tells Airtable that this column won't store plain text or numbers. Instead, it will hold links to records that already live in a different table. Think of it as creating a bridge that connects specific rows across tables. You'll be prompted to select the table you want to connect to. Pick the table that makes sense for your relationship. For instance, if you're in the Projects table, select Clients so each project can point to the client it belongs to. Choosing the right target here sets up the relationship your workflow needs. Save your choice by clicking Create Field. Airtable will add a new linked record column to your table. You can rename the field to something clear, like Client, to make it immediately obvious what this column represents. Behind the scenes, Airtable prepares the connection so it can work both ways. Now it's time to link records. Click inside a cell in the new linked field and select the matching record from the other table. You can start typing to search and then click to attach the correct one. Airtable will automatically create the connection between both tables, so you can jump from a project to its client and back with a single click. If you don't see anything to choose from, make sure the other table already has records. That's it. You've linked your tables and created a clean, relational structure in your base. Thanks for watching.